Our final video is going to do more of this converting between systems business, right? And again, remember these are approximate answers we're getting now when we convert between the two different systems. So change 500 meters to yards. So this is actually the opposite of what we just did. We just did yards to meters. Now we're going to look at meters to yards. So 500 meters over 1. Now again, just like with the last one, we didn't have a meter to yard conversion. We had a meter to foot conversion. So we're gonna first have to convert to feet and then convert from feet to yards. So we're going to use 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. Meters in the top needs to cancel with meters in the bottom. So I write 1 meter in the denominator and then 3.28 feet in the numerator. That's my conversion factor. So now I can cancel out meters and I'd be left with feet, but I need yards. So I need the conversion between feet and yards again. Right? Feet had to go in the denominator to cancel with the feet that's already existing in the numerator. And again, the conversion was that 3 feet is 1 yard. So I would cancel feet now. And now do my multiplication and division. So I do 500 times 3.28. So 500 times 3.28. 1640. So this is going to be 1640 yards divided by 3. So when I divide 1640 by 3, I get 546.7, let's say. So it's 546.7 yards. So 500 meters is 546.7 yards. And then this final question on this page here, I don't need to do any work for anymore, right? That's why it says use previous answer. It's really use previous answers. You can pick which one you want to use. Which is longer, 500 meters or 550 yards? Well, if we look at the one above, we saw that 550 yards was 503 meters. So 550 yards is actually more than 500 meters, right? It's 503 meters. So 550 yards is going to be greater. I mean, they're very close, but 550 yards is slightly greater. And then again, you could have used the one that we just did. We knew 500 meters was actually 546.7 yards. So 500 meters was less than 550 yards. It was actually 546.7. So the 550 yards was greater. And again, it's very, very close, but the 550 yards is slightly greater. And then the other kind of thing that you can do here is with pounds and kilograms. So we just did one before with pounds and kilograms, right? So which is heavier, 165 pounds or 76 kilograms? You don't have to convert both. You just convert one to the other and then just compare. So let's say we want to convert pounds to kilograms. We would do 165 pounds over 1. And then we'd use our conversion from the previous page, which is that 2.2 pounds was 1 kilogram. So we want pounds to go in the denominator to cancel, and it was 2.2 pounds was 1 kilogram. So we're going to cancel pounds, and now in this case we're going to divide, right? It's 165 times 1 and then divided by 2.2. So it's really 165 kilograms divided by 2.2. And when we punch this in, it's 75. So that's 75 kilograms. So 75 kilograms is actually slightly less than 76 kilograms. So 76 kilograms is going to be the heavier one. right? Because 165 pounds was 75 kilograms, which is less than 76 kilograms. But again, they're very close, just like in the last one. So then last one is a better buy kind of problem. So what's a better buy? Buying 34 fluid ounces of vinegar at 349 or a 1 liter bottle of the same vinegar that's 317. So again, we only have to really convert one to the other, right? So we want to convert maybe 34 ounces to liters. So 34 fluid ounces over 1. It's a straightforward conversion here. 1 liter is 33.814 fluid ounces, so we can immediately cancel out, right? So we want fluid ounces to cancel, so we'll put that in the denominator. So it's 33.814 fluid ounces, and that's 1 liter. So now we're going to cancel out our fluid ounces, and we're going to end up with 34 divided by 33.814. So 34 divided by 33.814. That's 1 point. I mean, it's so close. This is another one that's so close. So it's 1.006. 1.006 liters. So it's 349 for 1.006 liters. So what's better? 1 liter for 317 or 1.006 liters for 349? Well, the idea is this one is already a unit rate, right? It's 317 for 1. So you're really comparing 317 per liter with 349 per 1.006 liters. So we want to turn this into a unit rate just like the other one is. So if we do 349 divided by 1.006, we get 347 basically, right? So it's 347 per liter. So what's the better buy? The cheaper one, obviously. So this is going to be the better buy, the one that costs 317 for the liter.